transform. So this involves transformation of functions from S domain, from T domain to S domain. That is what we mean by Laplace transform. So let's have an example. Given an example like so change the cos of 3t to S domain. Meaning we are changing this, we are getting the Laplace transform of cos 3t. So this we have given that f of t. So this is our f of t as cos 3t. So the general formula of transforming this f of s is given by integrating the f of t then by exponential negative st respect to t. So we are given f of t cos 3t. So this f of t cannot substitute it as it is here. So our f of t will be exponential 3t plus exponential negative 3t over 2. So this one here will substitute to f of t. So substituting, it will be integrating from 0 to infinity our f of t, which is this one here, exponential 3t plus exponential negative 3t over 2, then by exponential negative st respect to t. So this is a half, remove it outside the bracket, so it will be a half by exponential 3t plus exponential negative 3t multiplied by, so you are integrating, 0 to infinity, multiplied by exponential negative st respect to t. So these ones, there is a way you can write it so that you break this one and this one. So it is a half integrating from 0 to infinity exponential 3t by exponential negative st plus a half from 0 to infinity exponential negative 3t by exponential negative st respect to dt. So I forgot to put here dt, you are integrating respect to t. So combining this and this, so it is a half integrating from 0 to infinity exponential. So we want to multiply these ones. So the bases are the same. We add the powers. So when you add, it will be negative into negative 3 plus s by t respect to t, then plus integrating from 0 to infinity. When you add these ones, you multiply, so it will be exponential negative 3, then plus s. Is it? Negative 3 plus s. Don't know if I'm right. Negative 3. But this one is negative when it's positive, negative. So this one, negative 3, negative s, respect to dt. So if you close, it will be, for these ones, integrating these ones, let u be negative into negative 3 plus s t. So our dt for this side, du dt will be negative 3 plus s. So meaning our dt will be negative du over negative 3 plus s, negative 3 plus s. Then for this side, let u be negative 3 plus s, negative into bracket 3 plus s, then t. Our du dt will be negative 3 plus s, meaning dt will be negative du over 3 plus s. So replace where there is a dt with this value for the right side, then where there is dt, this value here. So it is a half when you integrate from 0 to infinity, exponential u negative du over this value, negative 3 plus s. Then plus integrating from 0 to infinity, exponential u, then multiplied by this value, negative du 3 plus s. So this value here, you lift it outside, so it will be a half. So this one's when it comes, this one, it will be negative 1 over negative 3 plus s by exponential u du plus lifting this one will be negative 1 over 3 plus s, integrating from 0 to infinity, exponential u respect to u. So you are having integrate this one respect to u, it will remain that way, so it is a half. Don't forget the limits. A half into negative 1, negative 3 plus s by this one, it is exponential u after integrating. Limits are 0 to infinity, then plus negative 1 over 3 plus s, exponential u with limits 0 to infinity. So replacing, now this u, you come and replace with its values. So this one is the value of u. And remember, we laid somewhere the value of u for the first. So our u, it will be opening up a half into this value here, negative 1 over negative 3 plus s into exponential. Our u is negative 3 plus st, negative 3 plus s t from 0 to infinity, then plus negative 1 over 3 plus s into, let's add downside. So it is negative 1 over 3 plus s into the value of u. We laid somewhere. Where is it? It is here. Negative 3 plus st. Exponential negative 3 plus st with limits 0 to infinity. So it is a half into, so these ones, it will be negative 1 over negative 3 plus s into 0 minus 1, then plus, because you are inserting the limits 0 and the infinity, plus negative 1 over 3 plus s into 0 minus 1. So it will be a half, multiplying this, it will be 1 over negative 3 plus s, then plus, there is a negative here, so it will be 1 over 3 plus s. So this is same as a half into 1 over s minus 3 plus 1 over s plus 3. So sum up what is in bracket. So it will be, the LCM is s minus 3, s plus 3. So it will be s plus 3. This is all, and then plus s minus 3. Remember, there is a half outside. So it will be s plus 3. So it is 2s a half into 2s over s minus 3 by s plus 3. Multiply the two, will be s into s plus 3 minus 3 into s plus 3. So this is s squared plus 3s minus 3s minus 9. Is it so? Wow. So it is s squared minus 9. So our it is 2s over this one here, s squared minus 9. So remember there is an half, so this one will cancel with the 2 here. So our final is s over s squared plus 9. So this is our f of s of cos 3t. Thank you for watching the video.